A warm welcome to everyone. Today's subject is service marketing. Subject code P20MBEC46. I am Satish J, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Service marketing. From the service marketing, we are going to see the 7 P's in the service marketing. The first 4 elements in the service marketing mix are the same as those in the traditional marketing mix. However, given the unique nature of services, the implementation of this are slightly differ in the case of services. The services is important because the service marketing of a particular company or company process should be given by the service providers. From this, the first one, the product. In case of services, the product is intangible, heterogeneous, and perishable. Moreover, its production and consumption are inseparable. Hence, there is scope for customizing the offering as per customer requirement. What the customer should know about the product. They should customize the particular product and the offer should be given by the particular customer, and the requirement of the particular customer should be satisfied the need of the particular customer. The actual customer encounter, therefore the assumed particular significance of the need of the customer. However, too much customization would compromise the standard delivery of the service. The service should be give the proper way of adversary affect its quality. The quality is very important for everything. Hence, the particular care has to be taken in designing the service offering. Next one, the pricing. The pricing of service is tougher than pricing of goods. The pricing of service is tougher than pricing of goods because the pricing of a particular product should be easier, but the pricing of goods is tough. While the latter can be priced easily by the taking into account the raw material cost is, in the case of services, the attended cost should be over the head because such a labor cost and the overhead cost of the particular service should be more from the particular product or giving the services. So the need to be factored in this. For example, does a restaurant not only have to charge for the cost of food served, but also have to calculate the price of ambassadors provided the food. The final price for the service is then arrived by including the markup for an attitude profit margin, because the restaurant is the not only using the strategy to attract the customers, they have to use the price money to be collected by the customer for everything. So the profit margin should be calculated between all the pricing of the particular product. That is the pricing of services. The service cost and the service price also included in the particular price of the particular product of the food materials. Next one, place. Since the service delivery is concurrent with its production and cannot be stored or transported, the place the product should be delivered door to doorstep, or the transportation or stored place should be a location of a service to be provided, or product should be delivered in a particular timing. That is very, very important. The service providers have to know about the well about the customer need and to be give the special thought to be taken for the particular service to be given by the service provider, because the service should be make the customers satisfaction and then improve the level of the customer to be increase the profit of the margin. For example, there's a fine dine restaurant is a better located in the busy area or upscale market in comparison to the outskirts of a city. Similarly, a holiday restaurant is a better situated in the countryside away from the rush and the noise of the city, because the fine dine restaurant and the holiday resort are out of city. They located the out of city. That is the place should be located, because the customer should peacefully have the relaxation in the particular area. So they have to peacefully, they have to spend their time with the family and the work experience, etc. So the place is very important. The location of the restaurant and the holiday resorts. Next one, the promotion. From the service marketing, the promotion also one more important thing. Since a service offering can be easily replicated, promotion becomes a critical in defining or differentiating a service of offering in the mind of customer or consumer. From the differentiating of service offered by the mind of consumer, thus the service provider to handle the particular identical service should be give a area of the service should be promoting the business. For example, airlines or banks and insurance companies to invest heavily in advertising their services, because the airlines and banks and insurance are investing money to the promotion of the advertisement, because this is one more improvement for the companies. So they giving the advertising in the social medias and the televisions and the social medias. The service of the marketing strategy should be mixing in the promotion of the marketing mix. This is critical in attracting the customers in a segment where the service providers have to nearly identical the offering of the particular company, giving the offers or payment should be given the discounts of the particular advertisement. From the particular advertisement covers the customer are attracted by the customer, and then the customer should travel in that particular airlines or banks and insurance companies. The final three elements of the service of marketing mix: the people, process, and the physical evidence. These three things are unique to the marketing of service, because the promotion activities, the marketing mix should be mixed with the service of people, process, and the physical evidence. These are the unique of marketing services. Next one, people. The people are defining factors in their service delivery process. Since a service is inseparable from the person providing it, where the person giving the factor of delivery should be to the particular customer or a service provider to give the service to the customer. The providing of the service should be the proper way of satisfaction to be given by the particular service provider. For example, a restaurant is known as much as for its food as for the service provider by its staff. Thus, the restaurant is known as much for its food as for the service provided by its staff, because the staff giving the service of the food from the particular restaurant, they are giving the proper way of respect and providing a humble and honest with the particular staff. The same is true of banks and department stores. They trust the staff to make the same in the truth of business for banks and department stores. Because the stores to make the people convenience the customer satisfaction. So consequently, the customer service training for the staff has become a top priority for many organizations today. The customer service training for the staff has become a top priority for many organizations today because the staff have the better training to approach the customer. So they are giving the top level of priority to the staff to make a training programs by the many companies or organizations today. Next one, the process. The process of service delivery is critical since it ensures that the same standard of service is repeatedly delivered to the customer. Therefore, most companies have a service blueprints. The process of service delivery is critical since it ensures that the same standard of service is repeatedly delivered to the customer. Therefore, the most company have a similar blueprints, which provides the details of the service delivery process. Often the going of down, the process of service delivery is critical since it ensures that the same standard of service is repeatedly delivered to a customer. Once the product should be bought by a customer or brought by a customer, the process of the service provider should give the proper response to a particular customer when they deliver to a customer. And then repeatedly the customer give the service provider give the service to the particular customer repeatedly by the service marketing. Because the giving of the service provider, most of company have some blueprints or ideas to be followed and strategy should be followed from the company, which provides the details of the service detail delivered to a process. The process of the way should be approaching the customer to make the customer satisfaction. Often going down to even defining the service script and the greeting perhaps to be used by the service staff. They have to maintain the customer's identification, address, contact number details, and the script of the history should be followed by the service provider. That is the process of the customer to satisfy the customer by the service providers. Next one, the physical evidence. Since the services are intangible in their nature, most service providers strive to incorporate certain tangible elements into their offering to enhance the customer experience, because the most of the service are intangible in the nature. The most service providers strive to incorporate the certain tangible elements into their offering to enhance the customer to the experience. Thus, there are hair salons, for example, that they have well-designed waiting area, often with magazines and flash of as for the patrons to read and relax while they waiting their turn to be. The similarly same thing. One more example. The restaurant invests heavily in their interior designs to attract, to cover the customer, and the decoration to be offer a tangible and the unique experience to the particular guest or the customer. By using these tricks or ideas on the interior designs to decorate, to attract the customer, the physical evidence should be made to comfortable for the customer. That is the main thing. Next one, the significance of service marketing. Proper marketing of service contributes substantially to the process of development. The proper marketing of service marketing should be contributes substantially to the process of development. The development of service should be innovative to improve the marketing principles are followed in the service marketing. Some rules and regulations and the improvement of service development should be make the service marketing proper way to contribute the significance of the social economic transformation to make the people and the place as much as the faster rate of the improvement of the service marketing to develop the business of the service marketing. It improves the social economic transformation to be growth of the profit margin. In future, the service sectors would operate in a coordinative and environment offering great potential to develop or improve the opportunities are properly utilized by the service sectors. To follow the rules and regulations, to improve the ideas, it will lead to all over the round development of the economy, to grow the economy of the nation and the company and the growth of the profit to be improve the particular company. The sins of significance of the service of economic may be discussed under the following headings. The first one is generation of employment opportunities. Second one, optimum utilization of resources. Third one, capital formulations. Fourth one, increased standard of living. Fifth one, use of environment-friendly technologies. These 5 service significance to make the service sectors worthwhile. From the first one, the generation of employment opportunities. To improve the employment opportunities, now generation should be growth and the next generation should be developed by the generation of employment opportunities given by the companies or growth by the companies. So the components of the service sectors are wide and wide. For example, the service sectors includes the personal care services. For example, the personal care services, education services, Medicare services, communication services, tourism services, hospitality services, banking services, insurance services, transportation services, consultancy services, etc. These are the services to improve the generation of employability opportunities to be given by the companies nowadays. To make the company's growth and the economic growth of the nation and to improve the level of the employability opportunities. The organized and the systematic development of the particular service sectors would create a enormous employment opportunity by using this generation of service sectors to be improved, inverse new ideas and new innovative technologies to be improve the companies and the more employability to be offer the companies and make the employability opportunity to the customer, the salespersons or service sectors of the service marketing. Application of the marketing principles in the service sectors is instrumental to the development of the economic growth. The application of service of a marketing principles in the service sector is instrumental to develop the economic growth of the company or a opportunity to be given by the service sectors. However, it is appropriate to mention that India has not been successful in the utilizing the potential of the service sectors because as seen in US, about 80% of job opportunities are offered by the service sectors. Comparing to India is 60% only. From the US and India, comparing to 60 and 80, the level of their service sectors is comparing to US to be low. So the job opportunity to be create more to improve the level of USA. So the service sector to be inverse the companies significant of service sectors to be make the profitable opportunities to be give employment opportunities for the service sectors. So the significance of the service sectors lies in its capacity to create job opportunity for the employees, to make the non-employability opportunity in India. If the service sectors is properly developed by using this employment opportunity, it will solve the problem of unemployment in India to a great extent of the improvement of our nation. After liberalization policy, the service sector in India has been emerging as a dominant component in the economic growth. To make a service sector in India to be invest many companies to improve their companies and extend their company's capacity size, etc. Second one, the optimum utilization of resources. India is best owned with rich resources. Particularly a human resources available in India favor to grow the service sectors. Particularly the human resources available in India to favor the growth of the service sectors. The resource to be make the development to improve the capacity and the activities to grow the companies and the organization to develop the employability opportunities. While the labor content is most manufacturing activities is developing steadily with use of technologies. By using the new technologies and the way of service sectors, comparatively using the labors to improve the workers to work for the companies, because the technology of robotics are totally using the company's resources. So make the labors also to content in the service sectors to make the workers comparatively with the technology. Give the opportunity to the employees or labors to the way of technology and also labors. As India is rich in human resource, the service sector can grow steadily with the resource of the development of excellent export opportunities, because most of the companies are in India to export the excellent opportunity to give the employees and laborers to work for the World Trade Organization. In fact, the importance agenda of the World Trade Organization, that is WTO, is open to market for service to develop the opportunity of the rich in human resource in India also. So make that opportunity to optimum the utilization of the resource to make the growth of the Indian economic growth and the company's size and the maximize the service exports to be improved from the marketing of services. So by exploiting these factors, India can maximize its service exports to improve and develop the most of companies to export their products to foreign countries. Though its performance in the export of computer software technologies is quite commendable already, because the technology of the softwares to make easily of the work and services. So it should concentrate on other area as well also. So the service firms such as personal care services, the entertainment services, tourism services, hotel services contributes to the growth of the economic without the consuming any natural resources. To using this software technologies, the growth of these services also make the economic growth with any natural resources. In the sense of the growth of service firms, the kind of conserve natural resources to improve the particular utilization of the resources. Thus, the service marketing helps to conserve the valuable resource for future generations, to give the opportunity to the resource for the future organizations of the generations to improve the employability and growth the nation improvement of the economic growth. From the third one, capital formation. There are indications that service will be growth more rapidly in the nature of near futures. The economic, social, and political factors signal an expansion of the service sectors. To make the capital formulation of economic, social, and the political factors, to make the expansion to be growth, the investment of the particular job generation of a employability opportunity should give the far greater in the service sectors. Comparing to the manufacturer, they have to give the capacity and the service sector to be developed more investment. For example, the estimation of a telecom alone will account for an investment of rupees 1,50,000 crores in the coming year. For this example, the investment encouraged the capital formulation of growth to be developed the nation of the economic and also make the employability of capital formation to be growth the direction towards the products and the export the product to the foreign countries and the labors to be improve the employability and also make the investment are made in the service sectors to develop the contribution of the nation building process to be growth the capital formulation of this country's growth of the profit margin. With increased developmental activities, the per capita income increases, which in turn the facility of capital formulation to make the performance of the profitable way of services to be observe higher investment to make the company invest more than from the investment of before of a particular company. The profit makes the company to invest and the accelerating of the rate of the particular capital formation to make the investment of new companies and the size of the company should be big and make the profit to be make the employability of the capital formation. Next one, the increasing the standard of living. The standard of living of the people in any country would be decided of basic of a quality and the standard of a product consumed or services available in the day-to-day life or living way. The standard of the living should be make the people and the growth of the country also make the decision of the quality to be improved. Any development is transparent only when the living condition of the masses of improvement. The improvement of the country and the people of the living condition should be made evenly and equally to the improvement. When they compare with the developed countries, the standard of the living is in India is far from the satisfactory because the foreign countries have developing the countries and also the peoples of the living level of the transparency of the development also the standard of living to be increased of the particular technology. But in our India is far from the satisfactory because the cost of the living and the products of the particular manufacturing department development should be higher than the particular development of satisfactory. The standard of living cannot be improved by offering more opportunity for earning by a people salary, but also the level of the growth and the standard of the living environment should be simultaneously grow with the opportunity for the environment of the standard of the development to be made by the particular growth of the process from the standard of living. On the other hand, the standard of living is determined by the availability of goods and services. For example, the citizen as a vice spending on them, they should develop a service industry is sure to promote the standard of the living of the people. The level of the standard of living is determined by the availability of goods and the services. The living cost of the determined of the standard level should be the goods and the services of a particular citizen to make them the standard to develop of the service from the industry is sure to promote the standard of the living of the people. Next one, use of environment friendly technologies. Environment friendly technologies. Nowadays, the pollution of the country or nation is most of the countries are polluted by the environment because the usage of the technology makes the pollution and the environment should be polluted by the technology. So, yeah, new technology and upcoming technology should make the innovative ideas to make the control of the pollution of the friendly environment, that is called eco-friendly ideas, to be make good ideas and innovative technology to driven the development of countries to be make fulfill using the latest technology while rendering the service to be make the environment clean and growth of the upcoming years. The technology used by the service generations are organizing such as banks, insurance companies, tourism, hotel services, etc. And the education services are not detrimental in any way of environment because they are using the technology to develop their environmental friendly technology to make a new innovative way of growth by the countries of developing environment. On the contrary, technology used in the manufacturing organizations may have harmful effects on the environment. Sometimes the manufacturer to make a harmful effect on the environment because the technology growth may affect the standard of the nation. So a new technology to control the environment friendly technology to innovative or create a service industry to do not pollute the environment, which is indeed the low double of the pollution of the nation. So create a non-polluted environment to friendly technologies to create our nation with upcoming days to be a good nation and environment friendly technologies. Next one, the various types of service in consumer markets. The various types of services are in the consumer markets. First one, the food services. From the food services are offered by hotels or restaurants or catering services. The food service is very important for human being. And the way of the hotels, restaurants or catering services to provide their best of their knowledge to make their consumer satisfaction. Then only the marketing and the customer should buy the product regularly and like the product of the particular service of food. So they regularly buy their product. For example, A.R. Rahman Biryani, restaurants, R.R. Biryanis, fast foods. These are the examples to make the people to covered or attracted by the particular taste or flavors to be convenience the customer. By using the way of delivery to the customers and the taste of the product should be attracted the customers. The supplier of the restaurants as well as deliver the customer residency also. That is called door-to-door step deliveries. The catering agency supply food for associations like wedding ordered by wedding associations, engagements, birthday celebrations, conference, etc. They will deliver the location where they ordered for the particular area, how they have ordered the particular quantity or quality should be the standard of their price and the quality and the quantity of the services. From that, the boarding and the lodging services. Next one. These services are provided by hotels and lodges to the people who travel to distant places because so many people are working in one area to another. They travel one place to another. The tourism also, the peoples travel one place to another. From that, the boarding and the lodging services are very important to provide the service for the tourists and the lodges. By using the travel agencies, using the distance of places to grow the tourism has contributed the remarkable growth to boarding and lodging services. To improve the level of best and the quality of the best and the standard to be categorized as the star of the particular lodging and the hotels. By giving the standard of the particular boarding and lodging services, the category of the price should be develop the way of boarding and lodging services. Next one, the personal care services. These are the services provided to meet the personal care needs of the customer like health, appearance, physical fitness, etc. The personal care services includes the service offered by the example, beauty parlors, barber shops, gymnasium, dry cleaners, hospital, etc. The personal care should be the people who directly provided by the service to health, appearance, fitness, etc. From the experience of the particular personal care should attract by the particular customer and the satisfaction of the customer should be regularly visit the particular shops or parlors or barber shops, gyms, etc. Next one, the entertainment services. This service includes the cinema, drama, dance, music, amusement park, cable, TV, etc. These are the increasing of tendency among the people to create more money and make the profit of the environment and entertainment by using the service of entertainment services. This makes the people profitable and the entertainment makes the people peaceful and make some opportunity to grow the level of the entertainment services. Next one, transport services. This includes the service provided by railway, road transporting facilities, air transport such as flights and helicopters, and the water transporting service such as ships and boats. These are the way of transport services provided by the transport services. It should make the service of the particular customer or a product or a manufacturer to be move the product to delivery a customer or a consumer to deliver the particular area in point to point delivery or door to doorstep delivery should be happened by this transportation services. These are the way of facilities to be handled by the transportation services by using the companies and organizations. The automobile services. These are services provided to the owners of automobile vehicles for their repair and maintenance the vehicles once they have repair or maintenance to change their particular spare parts to provide by the unit of service providers given by the service stations or service units in the area nearby the customers. The next one, the communication services. These are the service provided to help people to exchange information. This service includes telephone, telegram, email, telex, fax, etc. The mobile phones and internet has relevantilized the field of information to communicate the service to way of people to be communicate with the customer, companies, employees, etc. It is an easy way to communicate the services. These are the providing of the service way to be communicated easily and convenient, convey the way of communications of the customer. Next one, education services. Nowadays, the pandemic situation, we are doing the online classes in the education services. It provides the coaching to students in various disciplines and prepare them for various examinations. These are the service provided by schools, colleges, universities by the online nowadays. This is also a service provided by the institutions and colleges, etc. Next one, insurance services. Insurance services are provided to protect the people against the risk of their life to be lost in the loss of their life of properties. The insurance companies to make the sale of various insurance policies to field of life insurance and general insurance for the customers to cover their risk of their life of the products, life and the properties. To insuring by the life insurance and the general insurance. It makes the people to convey the life to be risk to be make the people easily by security to be making the policy holders. The provider's sense of the security to the policy holders to make the insurance service to control the product of the people. It protection the people by the insurance services. Next one, the financial services. These are the services provided to the people to meet their very financial needs. The need of the financial service is very important because the various type of financial institutions like banks, NBFCs, Chitti, companies, stock brokers, mutual funds companies, etc. Their services includes keeping the deposited, provided various type of investment, loans, discounts, billings, hire, purchase, financial stocks, broking, etc. to be handled by the financial services. The lot of the financial services working for the companies or organizations and the need for the people of the financial services. What is marketing mix? A planned mix of a controllable elements of their products. Marketing plan commonly termed as 4 P's. First one, product, price, place, and promotion. These are the 4 P's of marketing mix. These 4 elements are adjusted until the right combination in found of serves the need of the products of customer. While the generating optimum income to be handled by the sometimes the first P that is called product is substantiated by the presentation of the customer. It is very important. That is called the marketing mix. The plan of a mix should be control the elements of the 4 type of product, price, place, and the promotion should be presented for the customer to make the marketing mix. Next one, what is product mix? A range of associated product that yields largest sales revenue when the marketed together than if they were marketed individually or in isolation from others. Range of associated products to hail the large sales of revenue from a product mix to make the marketed together and make the individually of the isolation from the others. That is called product mix. Thank you.